What's up guys? So we're gonna start the video in the is very helpful in case you're auto battling, because sometimes auto battle are kind of slow in this game. Especially the AI in this game does dumb shit like going around the map, not hitting the mob. So this is very helpful. It does double the cost though. It doubles the cost, so basically you're doing this twice. I wish they should have made this at least 20, and at least made this about 45 or something. Okay, after that, progress the story. My other thing that I should have done. Yeah, I forget doing this. Forget about this, and I look still at 7-7 because I've been doing farming resources, and you shouldn't really do that. You just keep doing this so you could get more stuff that are not locked yet. You should be able to unlock them if you keep progressing the story. Next is the extra chapter. So the extra chapter, you don't need to rush any of these. You can do this anytime, and they are a good source of Luma and Fire Flare. So you can do that. These are like extra, what it says, Spire. This doesn't reset. You can do this anytime. And territory is actually resets. See, it has been reset. So I can do this again, and scrolling up at this so you can see if the rewards are worth it or not. Like here, there are more drops. Then in the store, I noticed that in the secret store, you should always buy this. You should buy this before anything else. These two are very important. You should buy this because this is stamina and this is the flares. The rest are up to you, but mostly I recommend you buy these. These are for the closest. The rest are gift. The gift often sometimes are just given to you daily or dropped, so you buy these. So but these are more important. Also, the stuff that I forgot to is that in the daily you can check the logins, claim this. Currently 10 days of login, 5 more days till I get this. Doing that, it's basically forever as long as you don't skip days and just keep playing the game or the game. Next is the settings. You can actually edit this. Next is sometimes there's a link here. You can link your account here. This is here. You can hit background and a warehouse. I suggest you stock this up because there might be an event, and this one actually has no limit, or I mean not limit but expiration. See, there's no limit here, so you can just stock this up many years you can in case an event drops, because the higher your level is, and as I mean I'm 2021 right now, so if my level is higher, obviously the level that will require me to get the free resem when I level up will be slower. So currently, if you're below 20, you will easily reach higher levels in gaining those extra resem. So yeah. Also, my other thing is other thing that I should have noticed before is that you should at least one team, or at least this is water, at least you should have one whole team which has 5 water characters that are at max. See, I haven't maxed all of them. I should max them because they are very important in progressing the story. And the moment you done this, you should avoid leveling up characters with this element again. Some have dual elements, but I still suggest creating a new team that are focused on electro or other element. I suggest doing if you're water first. Next, you should do forest, because if you remember the weakness, that forest is stronger than thunder and thunder is stronger than water. In case you have a stage where thunder is the boss, you can't really use this team, so very useful. And water is stronger than fire, so you just swap this team that you have made. So you should prioritize making the team that are like one opposite or from the element weakness. That way you can get a better clear in some events that they might do. But I know that if you keep playing this game, you should at least have all of these. One mono team for water, thunder, forest, and pyro or fire. So that way you can clear stuff faster. Okay, that's all guys.